Hello everyone, welcome back to another beautiful video. Happy New Year. How are you all doing? I hope you and your families are all doing beautiful and wonderful. May this year bless us with every gift of life. I pray that God should answer all our prayers, everything that we ever wish to have. May this year 2025 benefit us. Amen. So today I'm going to share with you how to clear dark spots, acne scars, and all that. Okay. So all you're gonna do is to go ahead and get a playbook. After getting your playbook, all you have to do is to go ahead and get your play yogurt. Okay, we're going to be making use of play yogurt in this recipe or DIY. Okay, so I will just go ahead and make use of 2 to 3 teaspoons of play yogurt. Okay, so if you want yours to be more like, if you want to be using it like morning and night, that is twice in a day, I would advise you to make it like 3 teaspoons. Okay, but if you just want to try it first for the first time, you should go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of play yogurt. Okay, if you don't have play yogurt, go ahead and get your powder milk, like 1 teaspoon of powder milk. It's okay. All right, so after that we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, we are going to make use of natural honey. Please make sure you get your natural honey because it's very important. After getting your honey, we'll go ahead and add pinch of turmeric powder. So I'll just go ahead and add it gradually because I don't want a lot of turmeric powder in this DIY, because you know turmeric do stay the skin, so I don't want that to happen. So after adding all the ingredients, you go ahead and mix everything properly until they are well combined. For dark spot or hyperpigmentation, this is the best face mask or DIY you could ever imagine. Like if you're searching for something to clear your skin naturally without bleaching your skin, giving you any side effects, you should go ahead and give this a try. This is going to help your skin like seriously without any bleaching or damaging skin. Some people who tries this might get their skin like, you might get brighter while using this face mask. Okay, so it might brighten your skin but not bleach your skin. It will not bleach your skin, it might brighten your skin a little bit. Okay, so if you want to really get rid of those dark spots or those things on your face, you just have to be consistency. All right, so consistency is the key. If you want to get rid of something, you must make sure that you stick with one particular DIY or product. So after mixing, this is how it actually looks like. If you notice, I added more turmeric powder to my paste. Okay, just to get that beautiful color. Okay, so this is how it looks like after everything. I'll just go ahead and apply it to my clear skin, and before applying this, you must wash your skin and pat dry it. Okay, so after that, you go ahead and apply this to your skin, to your dry skin. Okay, after that, you leave it on your skin for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then get it off from your skin. So you might use warm water or cold water. It depends on your uh, country weather right now. So as for me, I will go ahead and take it off with warm water, or you can also take it off with wet towel. Okay, so it's fine. You can actually do this twice in a day. Okay, like morning and night. You can do this twice in a day. It does not has any side effect or burning and all that, so it's not going to give you any side effect. It's just going to help you clear your skin naturally without side effect. Okay, so this is the best thing that I have ever discovered. Like this DIY is the best. Okay, so here it is. I was waiting for it to dry it up before taking it off, so you just have to wait 15 to 20 minutes. It's okay. All right, so after that, you go ahead and take it off with warm water or wet towel or anything. You can even use a baby towel and all that. It's fine. Okay, it's going to also do the same thing, but I prefer using water because water is more better. Okay, so all you have to do after that, you just go ahead and take it off with whatsoever, and then that's it. Please do like this video, share it to your loved ones, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching.